lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you this fresh pink makeup tutorial which I did on my college farewell day. Styled this beautiful pink satin sari from Swatantra. The theme of my farewell was glitz and glam. All the details of my OOTD will be in the description box below, do check it out. At the end of the video, I will be sharing some of the clips and moments of my farewell day. So if you wanna know some tips and tricks and all what I did for my college farewell makeup look, then please continue watching. First, I will secure my hair so that they don't disturb me while doing the makeup. Firstly, to prep my skin, I will be taking the Cetaphil Damp Moisturizing Lotion and mixing it with the Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion and applying it on my face to make it hydrated. To make your makeup base look flawless all day long, you have to prep your skin before makeup. And most importantly, you have to cleanse your face before makeup. Use a gentle cleanser to cleanse your face. As you can see, my skin looks luminous and hydrated. On this luminous base, I will be applying the makeup and you will see that it sits so smoothly on my skin. I also like to apply another layer of moisturizer under my eyes. As we do a lot of eyeshadow work on our eyes, extra hydration is required, especially to avoid creases. Next up, I will be applying the Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer, which is a silicone-based primer. Take a pea-sized amount of this primer and apply it on your nose and on your forehead and on your chin. We apply a silicone-based primer on our skin to make it smooth. It is basically applied to hide open pores and textured skin. For the base, I wanted to keep it light, so I took the Pond's BB cream in the shade Light. Applying this all over on my face. As it is a morning function, I wanted to keep my base super lightweight so that it lasts for a long time. So skipping the foundation is the best idea. Now I will be taking a damp beauty blender from Nykaa and bounce it on my skin to blend my BB cream. If you want more coverage, then you can use a brush instead of a beauty blender. Take your time to blend the BB cream onto your face. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. You can also see my Instagram page right here on the screen. Do support me there as well. It would mean a lot to me. After I complete applying the BB cream, I will be moving on to the concealer, and for concealer I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. Apply it under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, your forehead and your chin, basically to highlight your face. Also, I will be applying it on my eyelid. Then I will blend this concealer with the PAC 272 concealer brush. This is an angular blending brush that is perfect to blend concealer under your eyes or anywhere on your face. This brush is designed in such a way that it reaches every corner and small parts of your face to blend your concealer or foundation. Use dabbing or round circular motions to blend the concealer onto your face. To set my face, I will be taking the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder in the shade Banana. The loose powder will ensure that no creases are formed under my eyes, and also I will be applying it on my eyelids. The brush I am using here is from Wet n Wild Highlighting Brush. This is a synthetic fluffy blending brush which you can use to apply the loose powder under your eyes. Next, let's quickly move on to the bronzer, and for bronzer I am taking the Physicians Formula Muru Muru Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, and I am taking the Wet n Wild Contouring Brush and start applying the bronzer on my cheekbones, on the forehead and on my jawline. Also, I will be applying it on the side of my nose to contour my nose. While contouring the nose, make sure you connect it to your eyebrows so that it looks one. You need to give time in blending so that your makeup looks flawless onto your skin and natural. For blush, I am taking the Nykaa Duo Blush in the shade Malibu Barbie. I will be taking the pink shade and applying it on my cheeks with the Wet n Wild blush brush. To apply the blush seamlessly onto your face, you have to take the blush on the brush and then dust off the excess blush and then apply onto your cheeks. If you apply too much blush on your cheeks, then you can use a beauty blender to tone the blush down. At the end of the day, you need to ensure that the blush looks natural onto your cheeks. Next, I am moving on to the Color Bar Brow Checker Wow pencil in the shade Terracotta Twirl and applying it on my eyebrows to fill them in. After this, I take the Real Techniques spoolie and then brush my eyebrows in upward direction. For my eyeshadow, I will be taking the Nykaa 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the shade Daydreaming. Also, I will be taking the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions Lilac palette later on. First, I am taking this light matte pink shade on my pencil brush and applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. This step is to create a base for my eyeshadow. And applying a lighter color on the inner corner of my eyes will make it look more open. Next, I am taking this pink salmon shade from the palette and applying it with the Real Techniques fluffy blending brush on my crease. Next, I will be taking this deep matte pink shade from the palette on my PAC 274 brush, dust off the excess and start applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. The shape of this brush is pointed at the end, so it is easier for me to blend the outer corners of my eyes. This brush can also be used to intensify the crease color. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button. I post a lot of nail art related content on my channel. Some of them are popping right here on the screen. You can check them in the description box or the I button. Link will be given there. I am applying this deep color on the outer corner of my eyes only. If you are a beginner, you can also use a cello tape on the outer corner of your eyes to make the eye look more sharp. Now again with the pencil brush, I will be taking the light baby pink color and applying it on the inner corner of my eyes. After this, I will be taking the brown color from the palette and with the Angular Real Techniques brush, I will be applying it on the outer corners, making a wing. In this step, if you want the color to be deep, you can use a black gel liner and then smoke it out with a pencil brush. That will also look really beautiful. If you want to see a video like that, I will link the video in the description box or the I button. Link will be given there. I am taking the ProArt PF13 brush, which is clean, and blending out all the colors together. Then I am taking the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions Lilac palette and taking the peach shimmery shade from the palette on my sponge tip applicator and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. I will also be extending the color on the middle of my eyelid. If you want more pigmentation or that juicy glowy eyelid, then you have to apply a makeup fixer on your sponge tip applicator and then apply the color on your eyelid. After this, I am taking the brown kohl kajal from Plum Goodness and apply it on my eyelids. I will apply this kajal really close to my upper lash line, basically tightlining my lashes. Also, I will be applying some on my lower lash line. Then I am taking the Wet n Wild pencil brush and smoking out the brown kohl kajal near my upper lash line. The trick to achieve a beautiful eyeshadow look is to apply the color and then blend it nicely, and then again take some color and then again apply it and blend it. You cannot apply too many colors together and blend it all together. That will make your eye look more messier. You have to go step by step to get a beautiful eye look. I'm taking the shimmery shade from the palette and then highlighting my brow bones and inner corner of my eyes with the sponge tip applicator. Then again blending the transition with the highlighting shade with the brush. After this, I will be applying the mascara from Color Bar. Apply your eyelashes from roots to the tip of your lashes. Apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara on your lashes. I will finish off my eye look with applying some false lashes. Before that, I'm taking the Plum Face Mist. Spray it on all over your face to make your face hydrated. On top of the mist, I will be applying the highlighter from Nykaa Shimmer Bricks palette in the shade Good Old Gold. I am applying this highlighter using the fan brush from Nykaa. For my lips, I will be taking the K-Beauty lip liner in the shade Sensational. This shade is a pink nude shade, outlining my lips with this color. To make your lips look bigger, you can overline your lips on the Cupid's bow and some on your lower lips. The links of all the products used will be in the description box below. For my lipstick, I will be taking the L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade 284 Peach Perfect. Dab some pink lipstick on top of the lip liner and complete the look. If you want to know the 10 pink lipsticks that every girl must have, you can check the video in the description box or the I button. My college farewell makeup look is complete and now I will be opening my hair. I have already put on my false lashes. All the details will be in the description box below. I like to keep my hairs open when I wear a sari. This is my final makeup look. For my accessories, I bought a beautiful pair of earrings from Joker and Witch Company, which is available on Nykaa. These are beautiful hoops with stones in it. Hoop earrings are a must-have accessory in every girl's vanity. You can wear these hoops with Indian outfit as well as Western outfit. It looks sleek and modern. I got it at only 299 rupees. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. If you recreate this makeup look on your farewell day or any other special occasion, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Here are some special moments of my farewell day and the place where I have spent more than 16 years of my life.